Hello everyone, this is Senpai and welcome back to my video. Today we are going to paint the white shirt on top of this painting. If you don't have the file yet, you can go to my Gumroad and download it. I wanted to paint a tight shirt, so I gathered these references. Just keep in mind that having references is very helpful and it doesn't mean you're cheating, so don't worry. Alright, again, I made a new layer on top of the body layer and then sketched the shirt by using the references that I have. Now I got the sketch that I want. Then I go to the body layer and lower the opacity. And then I start making a quick line art. I draw it roughly because I'm going to paint over the line art anyway. Observe the references and see how wrinkles behave. Usually for the shirt like this, the wrinkles will be appear around the joint, such as around the armpit and shoulder, and also around the elbow. And in this case, I wanted to draw a tight shirt so it will appear around the waist as well. I will make a new layer underneath the line art layer and then use the lasso tool to select the area that is going to be the base color for the shirt. And then pick a very light gray color for the base. I make another layer on top of the base color layer and then right click, choose the create clipping mask and change the layer to multiply mode. Then pick the light blue color and then choose the airbrush. Now I'm going to paint around the shirt to make it look three-dimensional. The reason why I picked the blue color instead of white is that the blue color will help to make the white shirt look new. So I prefer using blue color when it comes to painting white clothes. Then I go to the line art layer and lower the opacity, and then make the new layer on top of it. Now I'm going to paint over the line art by using eyedrop tool, picking the color and then painting it over and over and over until I like the result. And now I'm happy with how it looks, so I'm going to merge all the shirt layers together. Now we will get something like this. And then again, make a new layer and then right click, create clipping mask and set the layer mode to multiply and then slightly paint to make the shirt looks more three-dimensional. I merge the layer again and make another layer again and then set the layer mode to overlay. Pick the pink color and slightly paint over the shirt, especially around the shadow areas. The reason why I do this because I feel like only light blue color of the shirt is kind of boring, so I want to give it a variation of colors to make it looks more interesting. I make a new layer and do the same thing but pick the blue color. And then I make a new layer and set it to color dodge for the highlight areas. You might wonder why I make a lot of layers and merge them over and over. It's because when I wasn't sure about the painting, I will make another layer and then paint it. And if I don't like it, I will just delete the layer, and if I like it, I will just merge it. So it's just keeping it easy to work on and remove it. Alright, I think that's it for this video. I hope you will gain something from it and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.